Welcome to the Great Summer Math Mix-Up 2024. This week we're doing a play on a childhood card game called War. We're calling this game Warheads. It's simple, fast, and fun. To play, we're going to need 3 players. 2 of the players draw 1 card each. Don't look at it. Place the card on your forehead with a number facing out. The 3rd player, without a card, can see both numbers from the cards on the foreheads. The player that can see both cards will call out a math result, sum, difference, product, quotient of the 2 cards. The players with cards on their foreheads try to figure out what their number is based off the math result and the number they can see on the other person's card. First player to name their number wins 1 point, play to 10 points. Time to review some important math words.
Hi, let's learn how to play Warheads. This is such a fun game to play. You're going to need at least 3 people, and you need some numbered cards. You can use a regular deck of cards. You can make your own numbered cards. If you just have random colorful cards like this, let's use them. You also are going to put cards on your forehead so you can't see your card number. We use the headbands game headbands to hold our cards up. Just easier, keeps your hands free. It's fun. You don't need a headband, but it is fun if you have one. Okay, before we can play our game, we need to do a quick math review. So in this game, we're going to be talking about the result of math operations. So as a review, the main operations that we do in math is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we have addition is the plus sign, subtraction is a minus sign, multiplication looks like an X, the multiplication sign, and then division looks like this, or just a fraction bar. Now, what we are going to talk about is the result of these operations. So the result of addition is the sum. The result of subtraction is the difference. The result of multiplication is the product, and the result of division is the quotient. So for example, if we took 3 plus 5, the result is the sum of 8. If we did 4 minus 1, the result is the difference of 3. If we did 5 times 7, the product is the result of 35. And with division, if we do 8 divided by 2, the result is the quotient of 4. So we're going to use these basic math operations to play Warheads. So let's go over how to play. We need 3 players. So 2 of the players are going to draw 1 card each, and make sure that you do not look at the card. You're going to place the card on your forehead with a number facing out so the other 2 players can see your number. The 3rd player, the player without a card, can see both numbers from the cards on the foreheads. The 3rd player, the player that can see both cards, is going to call out a math result. So, of the 2 cards. So, you'll look at the cards and you'll say the sum is 10. The product is 7. Whatever happens to be the result of the math card of the cards that are on the foreheads. The players with the cards on their forehead, they're trying to figure out what number is on their card based off the math result, the sum is 8, and the card that they can see from the other person's forehead. The first player to name their number wins 1 point. Play to 10 points. Each round, rotate who is drawing cards and who is calling out the result. So let's play. Here's an example. Player 1 has a card on their forehead that they cannot see, and that card is an 8. Player 2 has a card on their forehead that they cannot see, and that is a 3. So the player calling out the numbers is going to look at this and say, they are going to pick one result. So they might say, the product is 24. The quotient is 8/3. The sum is 11. The difference is -5. Or, the difference is 5. The quotient is 3/8. So they just pick one of these. And I would recommend, as you're warming up, maybe starting with the sum and difference as a positive number to get the hang of it, maybe the product. Adding in the quotient and subtracting to get negative numbers is so much fun when your child is ready for that level. It just adds another element, especially when the quotient is a reduced number or a reduced fraction. So have fun. I'm going to show you this game in action. Let's go.
We gathered together our headbands and our playing cards. Let's go. The sum is 11.
5.
6. Okay. The difference is 4.
4.
8. Nice, you guys are... The product is 10. 2.
5.
Oh. The quotient is... What does that mean? That is division. The quotient is 2/3. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What number's on my card?
I don't know.
The quotient is 6/9.
6.
9. Yeah. Okay, let's do one. The difference is -1.
9.
No. 8. Nice, Sarah.